You're watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Butte County Sheriff's Search and Rescue continued its water training today. This time they were doing jet boat training on the Feather River just below Orrville. And yesterday they practiced precision boat operations, saying that there is a lot of challenging water conditions out there right now. We're now going to be bringing back in our meteorologist Patrick right now, joining me at the desk. They were talking about some challenging water conditions. Obviously, be safe if you're going on the water right now. But obviously, a lot of people wanting to go out in the water. So is this heat going to be continuing the rest of the day, I'm assuming?
We'll have a very warm night tonight. There is a chance for some mountain thunderstorms, but even that chance is starting to diminish right now. But look at these temperatures. That's something. Temperatures hovering around 100 degrees right now in Redding, 97 in Red Bluff. So if you are trying to cool off in area creeks and streams, they are running fast and cold, so use caution because, for that particular reason. We are also watching, as I mentioned, some thunderstorms in the Sierra right now. We are seeing that activity for the most part dying down compared to what it was just about an hour ago. So we'll continue to monitor this throughout the rest of the evening. But for now, some light showers in some places and lightning bolts farther in Plumas County. This is what it looks like from the Butt Lake camera looking at Lake Almanor. A gorgeous view. Some of the thunderstorms off in the distance there, or at least underneath some of these clouds. It is going to be a bumping a couple hours or so if you are near some of those cells. We have a warm night ahead in the valley. Thunderstorms even possibly making their way into the valley tomorrow and in the mountains. However, we are cooling off with a chance for some thunderstorms this week. Here's what we have for the future cast. The thunderstorm activity will shut down by 8 p.m. this evening. A few high clouds rolling into the valley at times and a partly cloudy sky in the mountain areas by midnight. We'll see a few clouds moving through parts of the valley tomorrow, but I think it'll be still a mostly sunny sky and a chance for more clouds in the mountains. This will give way to some thunderstorms beginning to pop up right around 2 p.m. and more activity possible by 6:30. So be weather aware tomorrow afternoon. This could include some small hail, gusty winds, and heavy rain. So just have some backup plans for any outdoor activities. And we'll see that continue through the early part of the evening. By 2 a.m. Tuesday, most of the activity shuts down, and we kind of set the stage for a repeat, although with cooler weather and less chances for thunderstorms in the valley. Mid-60s for lows tonight. It's going to take some time to get to these temperatures, so be ready for an uncomfortable night of sleeping weather. Highs tomorrow, low to mid-90s. It is another hot day, although we are cooling off by a couple of degrees. So we are seeing this pattern change slowly but surely. We are waiting for the influence from an area of low pressure that's forming off the SoCal coast. This will bring some thunderstorm chances to our mountains, along with cooler weather starting on Tuesday. We'll be back to the low to mid-80s, and that'll stick with us until at least the end of this week before a dip in the jet stream kind of reinforces it and keeps us cooler than average for this time of year. Here's what we have the next 7 days. Coming up, lower 80s possible on Tuesday. Some thunderstorm chances not only mostly in the mountains, but we may see a stray thunderstorm or two in the valley, especially Tuesday through Friday. For now, the best chance looks to be for thunderstorms in the valley on Monday, so just be weather aware tomorrow, but some cooler weather on the way if you don't like the heat right now.
Great. Thank you very much, Patrick.